Now, in second question of 2.9, we will see that a train covers a distance of 9,624 kilometers in a day. So, in one day, in total 1 day, a train covers that much distance, 9,624 kilometers. How much distance does it cover in 1 hour? So, here in 1 hour we want, for 1 day it is given, but we want to find for 1 hour. So what we will do, here the change in units, that day and hour. So we will have to see the relationship between day and hour. So here total distance covered in 1 day is 9,624 kilometers. In 1 hour we want in 1 hour. So in 1 hour, to find, first of all we will convert that day into hours. That bigger unit we have to convert into smaller unit, that 1 day equal to 24 hours. First of all we will do the conversion process. That 1 day we will convert into hours, 1 day equal to 24 hours. Now then we will divide that 9,624 by 24. So what we find in divide? We find to the individual value. For find the individual value for one, we will do divide. So here we have done that if we will divide by 24, then here we will see, according to our previous, that in question number 1 we have done that we have to see first digit. Now 9 is smaller than 24. We can't divide according to the rule. So we will take both digits. Now it will become 96. Now 96 is greater than 24. Now we will read the table 24, that in 4 times it will completely 96. 24 4 the 96. So we can't take more than 4 times and not less than 4 times, because if in 4 times that 96 is coming, that equal value of dividend is coming, then it satisfies the division process. So now no more value to make proper division here. 0 is smaller than 24, so we will take this 2 also, but 2 is still smaller than 24. So what we will do, we will take this digit also. When we take 2 digits together, we put 0 in the quadrant, then afterwards we move for reading the table. Now 24 24 in one time, that completely 24 is coming. Now 24 minus 24, that is 0 remainder. So this is the quadrant and this is the remainder is 0. Now here quadrant is the answer. So answer is 401 kilometer in 1 hour. Train in 1 hour covers 401 kilometer. So like that, in this exercise there is need of division in that all the sums. In division what we find? In division we find that the value for one individual value, and in multiplication we want that if we want that more values we know that the value of that one individual value, but we want for number of times, so we will do multiplication. Hello students, now we will start that exercise 2.10 of chapter 2. Before starting that exercise sums, we will clear that what is Bode mass, because this exercise 2.10 is based on this Bode mass rule. What is Bode mass? We will take that a mathematical expression. What is the expression? That the equation which is made up of that variable, constant, and that operations signs. So mathematical expression, like what is mathematical expression? So here when we use more than one or two number of operations sign, that is multiply, divide, in one there is so many operation signs there are, that multiply, also minus, that subtract, divide, and all the things are given. More than one operation sign, so it is a mathematical expression. So to solve that, we need some special things to complete that operation. To solve that, that is Bode mass, that we will clear with Bode mass. So here first of all we will clear what is Bode mass and their rule. So that we have already cleared that Bode mass is the way to solve that any mathematical expression which contain more than one operation sign, that we sign more than one operation sign here. So every alphabet in Bode mass has their own speciality, own operation on that expression. So here now we will solve that any mathematical expression, so we need these rules. Now every alphabet shows their own operations, that B shows that first solve the brackets. Here brackets is given, right? First solve that bracket value we will solve first. Whatever be the sign in bracket, whether it will be divide, multiply, plus, minus, whatever. But first of all we will solve that bracket value. Then after that we will solve that of multiply. Of means multiply. That of value we will take as multiply. Then we will perform division, where there is division sign after completing the bracket, and that of multiplication we will perform that division wherever there is division sign. Then after that we will solve the value where there is multiplication sign. Then after that we will move towards the plus, that is addition sign. If there is any addition, so we will do addition after completing these 4 operations. And in the last, we perform subtraction. Wherever there is subtraction sign, then in the last that value we will subtract. So subtraction we perform in the last, and at the first level we solve the brackets. Now brackets is also the mainly 4 types that in mole mass expression. So we will look here that types of brackets and their order to solve. In first operation we have to solve the brackets, but there is a type of brackets and their order of solving that. So we will see that